Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to reset Google Chrome on a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So this is how to reset Google Chrome if you're getting problems and you don't want to uninstall and reinstall Chrome. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what we're going to do is just open up a new Google Chrome browser. And what we need to do is actually click the three dots, which is up here in the top right hand corner. And then what we want to do is come down and click onto settings. So once you open the settings page, what you need to do is actually scroll all the way to the bottom. And you're going to see there's a button there which says Advanced. If you actually click that, that's going to bring some more options. Then all you need to do is scroll again all the way to the bottom. And you'll see at the bottom there's a Reset and Cleanup section. So all you need to do is click this top option here, which says Restore settings to their original defaults. And you see if I click onto that, then what's going to happen is it's going to come up with a quick summary of what this is going to do. So this action will reset Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, it will disable extensions, and it will delete cookies and other temporary site data. Bookmarks, histories, and saved passwords won't be affected. To actually do that, you need to go into a different section to delete things like your history. But this should resolve any issues you have with Google Chrome. What you can do is actually take this box down the bottom, and that's going to send a report to Google so they can have a look at that and see. It's basically feedback for Google to make improvements, help make improvements to their Google Chrome service. So if you're happy to go ahead, all you need to do is click the blue Reset Settings button, and what's going to happen, that will go ahead and reset Chrome. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, if you go ahead and click the link in the video description down below, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.